real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinatra, that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today, as you can see in the title, I'm talking about something that happened to me on just before I went to work on a Monday morning, or maybe it was a Friday, I can't remember. But anyway, I turned on my car, let it warm up as I always do, and I left it ticking over for about 5 minutes, let it warm up a bit before I leave for work. Went to put it in gear and had absolutely no gears. This has never happened before. And I just went to put it in gear and there was nothing. I'll show you what I mean in a second. I went to put it in gear and there was just nothing. And I was like, has my gearbox died? What the hell's happening here? So immediately I was like, oh, turned it off and just left it on the drive. Left it for another day, called my dad who's a mechanic. And this is what the outcome was. So as you can see, I now have gears. So second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. But yesterday or the other day I went to put it in gear and literally it was just sloshy. There was absolutely nothing here. It was like I was just, you know, there was just nothing. There was no restriction whatsoever to say this is a gear. Like it was literally, I could put it anywhere. There was no gates, there was no nothing. And I was like, what the hell has happened? Why is my car just lost all its gears overnight? Like literally, I put it in reverse, I parked it on the drive. The next morning, nothing. So, need to pop the bonnet and show you what I had to do. So I don't know what it's like for a standard gear shift gator, but this is specifically with a short shifter. So anyone who's got a short shifter will relate to this. Slash, I'm pretty sure it must be the same anyway. But yeah, here we go. So what I've had to do temporarily is bodge it with a cable tie, as you can see. But basically, what you can see there is my short shifter mounted on, you know, mounted as it is. And you have that point there of contact, which has a clip on it. And then as you can see there, it's missing a clip, which temporarily I've cable tied just so I have gears and can move the car around the drive, get it down the road, whatever. But what that means is if those little like square bits that are on that, I would say a screw, but I guess it's just like a point or a pin. Pin's probably a better way of phrasing it. Yeah, so what would happen is there's a little clip that holds those blocks down onto the pin. The pin had come off, that had then disengaged. Must have been as soon as I took it out of reverse, maybe it disengaged it. Because I think reverse is the longest travel from like anywhere to reverse. It moves the most, and I think it just, the clip fell off, then that fell off and just gave me, it just completely lost all my gears. So if you're wondering, this is specifically, you know, if you've hopped in your car and you go to drive it and suddenly you have no gears, check this. It's very simple. I basically thought I had a dead gearbox. I thought I had a £500 bill. Turns out that cable tie right now is holding together all my gears, which is mental. So yeah, if you ever get in your car and the gearbox isn't grinding or anything like that, you just have no gears, check. So it's, what would be your normal, you know, air filter / induction kit. Underneath that, you can see your gear shifter there. If that square block that is on a pin there has come off, that might be the reason you have no gears. And there's also one there, so that one can also come off, but that one's got a clip on it and it's been cable tied down as well, but that's been there for years. But yeah, I lost the clip for that one. Obviously, ideally, I will get the clip, the proper clip, and put it on. But yeah, temporarily, just to move it around the house and just get it down the drive and stuff like that. That's what I've had to do so it'll work. But yeah, very simple, very easy fix, and it, you know, saves you a lot of money potentially. But yeah, it was just something I thought I'd share with you, a little vlog, in the fact that my car, basically, I turned it on one day, had no gears, thought I had a £500 bill to have a new gearbox and get it fitted, and then it turns out, just a little clip, all gone. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.